The Perma Salt system is redefining the traditional salt system here in America. Because the Perma Salt system is not a chlorine generating system, it doesn't have the corrosion problems that traditional salt systems have. What the Perma Salt system is simply the most effective, easiest program out there on the market today. Let me describe a whole summer of how you take care of your pool in a step-by-step manner, and then I'll come back and I'll talk about all the components and how they work. Well, first of all, if this is a new pool and the water is filling, you're going to want to add a product called Generate. Now, if this is a pool being installed by your Family Leisure installation crews, they will add the Generate for you. And what Generate is simply a algicide, a non-copper algicide, to protect the water while it's filling and until the copper can come up to level. So it's just a protection on new pools only. If this is an existing pool, you don't need Generate. After the pool is full, the water is circulating, the ionizing power, the Perma Salt system is hooked up, then you're going to add 2 bags of salt. Now this is salt that's going to help soften the water, add some TDS. 2 bags of salt, no matter what size pool it is. Then you're going to add the full bucket of Perma Salt, all 25 pounds. The salt you're going to pour right into the water and stir it up with your brush. The Perma Salt you're going to pour into the skimmer. Now all 25 pounds go into that skimmer. Just pour it in slowly. As it goes in, it will dissolve. Now, one word of caution with the Perma Salt, it's blue. So after you've poured it in, the water will be very blue. I recommend that you don't go swimming for about 24 hours because the dyes in the Perma Salt chemical can turn your children blue, like Smurfs. Just teasing. But Perma Salt goes into the skimmer. Next, you're going to take the Perma Salt system itself and you're going to adjust the dial all the way up. What that's going to do is to add more copper quicker to the water. After about 2 or 3 days, you'll be able to test the water. You test it for the copper, and when that copper level is up, you'll be able to adjust the dial down based on your test strips. You really want to keep the copper level at about 0.3 parts per million on the test strip. But you'll be able to dial that down as the copper level comes up. That's it for preparing the water. After that, every 2 weeks, you're going to add a bottle of what's called Clarate. Now, Clarate is a water clarifier designed to keep the water clean. That's all, clear. Keep the water sparkling, and it's every 2 weeks. It's a natural enzyme. The other product is Activate. Pre-measured 1 pound bag, and this is a dichloroxone blend shock called Activate. Very, very powerful shock, and on a normal pool, it's only needed every 2 weeks. So that's really the whole system. You adjust the program, you adjust the copper level on the chamber. Every 2 weeks, 1 bag of Activate, one bottle of Clarate. Now on larger pools like 30 or 33 foot or even 36 foot pools, I probably recommend that you add an extra bag of Activate every other week. So really you'll be adding a bag of Activate every week. And that's simply because the pool size is so large, you don't want to ever get into a problem. Even on smaller pools, if you ever feel a film on the side of the pool or see a little cloudy water, just add another bag of Activate. But that's the whole system. So for 16 weeks, if you have a 16-week summer, you're really only testing your water 8 times. You still have to test for pH and alkalinity, but the Perma Salt system generally buffers the water, so you really don't have a whole lot of fluctuations other than due to rain or excess, rainwater with pollution. But really, it's really, really simple. Test for the copper, alkalinity, and pH, 1 bottle of Clarate, 1 bottle of Activate. And that is as simple a program as you can do.
What